In this video, I'll be walking you through the entire setup process of this smartwatch i20 Ultra 3 Max suit, showing you how to power on the watch, how to fix the strap, and also how to connect to your phone. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So when you buy the watch brand new and open it, this is what you will see in the carton. Here are the complete things that you'll find inside the carton. You will find the watch head, you will find the earbud that comes with it, you will find the watch casing, you will find the watch charger, charger, and you will find all these different straps, though some come in different colors, but this one come in this white and pink color too, and also with a chain strap. Here's the chain you can see, and this band, this one is a band. So let's start with the watch. Here's the watch right here. So this is how the watch looks. You can see, fired newly. So right here is the speaker, right here is the smart crown, and right here is power button. So you can see here's the back. Here has a sensor, and here's where you put your strap. So how do you fix your strap? It's very simple. Just bring your strap here. Look, here's the strap. You can look, this one can go right here, so you can see. So just start from here, take it this way, and then push it. Push it. You see, it will be firm, strong. So you can also bring the other one here. This one here, how do we arrange it? This side. I can see. So yes, either this way or this way. Just put it here and then fix it, press it, shift it. You can see, so you can wear it on your hand. So how do you power on the watch? It's very simple. Yes, power button. Just come here and press and hold it and power on. You can see here iWatch Pro. Here's what you see. So right now it has power on. You can see right now. How do you start? If I press here, I come to apps. It brings me to different apps where you can navigate and use different apps. If I press here, it brings me back to the home screen. If I press like this, it changes the watch faces or the watch screensaver. You can see it changes them. You can see, right? So this function here is also like a back button. Also, if I press here, it brings me to sport activities. For instance, if I press here, it will bring me into different sport activities like exercise, running, biking, and other things. If I press here, it brings me back to the home screen. Also here also can bring you back to the home screen. Now when you're on your home screen and you press here, it brings you to this menu where you can do some other setup. You can check your battery, you can check your light. There's a light. If you press here in the night, for instance, in the night, just press here, it brings you this light. So like this, and it goes back here. Then press here and go to the home screen. You can see you have gone to the home screen. So in this video, I'm just showing you how to set up the watch. Now after that, how do you connect the watch to your phone? It's very simple. To connect the watch to your phone, just come on your watch, press right here. If you press right here, you can see here's a QR code. Just tap here and it brings a QR code. Then bring your phone scanner. Okay, now if you bring your phone, you can see you can use here, this is a QR code, you can use it. But for me, my phone has a QR code on my camera. I go to my camera, enable a QR code here on my camera, and then I bring it here and scan it. I'll get this, I'll tap on it. If I tap on it, it takes me online. It takes me on the app, on the site of the app. And you can see right here, download. I'll tap on this download. If I tap on it, then I can scroll down. If I scroll down, you can see there are 3 ways you can download the app, either through app stores, through Play Store, and also download from the site right here. So, but for here, I will tap and go to Play Store. Since I'm using Android, I will tap here, Google Play, and go to my Play Store. So If you load on my Play Store, you can see here's the app iWatch Pro. So here's the app that I can link or bind to my phone. You can see, right? So for you, you can tap and install it, but for me, I've installed the app. So if you install the app, just come here and tap on open. If you tap on open, then you will get this pop-up here. Tap on this agree. So if you tap on this agree, it will load and you will get this one. Just tap on this allow only while using the app. Tap on it and it brings you right here into the app home page, but you must have to set it. Okay, so after that you can come here and tap on this set. If you tap on this set, you can see right now my watch has not been binded, or you can see. So how do I do it? So I'll come here on this profile here and tap on it. If I tap on it, you can see here login. I'll tap on this login. If I tap on this login, then you can see for those that have an account can come here and tap on login. But for you, you can see right here at the top left here, register. Tap and register. Then it brings you here to put your email, to put your password, and then confirm your password. So I'll come here and put my email, password, and then confirm password. So if I put my email and confirm the password, I'll come and tap on this register. It processes and brings me right here. So right now I can now log in. So to log in, I'll come here and put my email and the password I created. So if I put the email and password, I'll come and tap on this check here and then agree to the terms of policy. Then come and tap on this login. So it loads. You can see device. You can see right now I've opened account with the app. So now how do I bind or connect my watch to the app? So I can come here and tap on the set. If I tap on the set here, you can see right here bind devices to experience more features. I'll tap here. So you can see it is finding my device. So it has done his finding and it has found my watch. You can see here Ultra 3, here is my watch. I'll just tap on it right here and you can see it's trying to connect. And also your Bluetooth must be on. So right now you can see I've gotten connected. Here is, you can see Ultra 3, here's the version. So you can see on the phone there I've connected. And also now how do you know? I can tap on this find. I'll tap got it. I'll tap on this find. Like for instance, I want to find my watch. If I tap here, my watch will begin to ring. Maybe like for instance, like if you kept your watch in a place that you can't find it. For instance, if I tap here, you can see right there the watch is ringing. So it is a find my watch feature. So you can come on the watch and stop it. So there are different ways, or you can just take time and then check and see different setup you can do here after connecting to your phone. So you can come on this message push, then tap on it and enable different message push to get notification on your watch right there. So guys, that is it, how to set up the i20 Ultra 3 Max suit. So maybe in my coming videos I will show you how to use the watch and also how to use the app properly. For now, thanks for watching and bye.